Missing important calls because your OnePlus phone rejects incoming calls? Don't worry folks, in this video I'll show you quick and easy solutions to fix this frustrating issue so you never miss another call. So let's dive in. Before you're doing anything else, make sure these basic settings. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode, turn off the airplane mode, eject and reinsert your SIM card. Now try the following advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn off call forwarding. First open up the settings. After that, tap on mobile network. Next, tap on call settings from below. Then tap on carrier related settings. Now tap on call forwarding. Now just turn it off. Solution 2. Turn on auto select carrier. Go to the settings, then tap on mobile network. Now tap on your SIM network. Here you will find the carrier feature below. Just turn on the auto select. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to the settings again, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on additional settings. Again, scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on the backup and reset. Next, tap on reset phone. Then tap on the reset network and Bluetooth settings option. Next, tap reset network and Bluetooth settings again. Wait for a while, and your network reset is completed. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips, tricks. Let me know in the comments if these solutions work for you or if you have other tips to share. Thanks a million for watching. See you in the next video.